Step-by-step guide to transfer 457B to Gold IRA without fees. Market uncertainty makes protecting retirement savings more important than ever. If your money is sitting in a 457B plan tied to the stock market, you may be exposed to unnecessary risk. Many investors now choose physical gold for stability and long-term protection. This guide explains how to transfer 457B to Gold IRA without fees, using a clear and safe process that avoids taxes, penalties, and surprises. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why transfer a 457B to a Gold IRA? A 457B plan often limits you to mutual funds or similar paper assets. A Gold IRA allows you to hold IRS-approved physical gold, which can protect against inflation, reduce market risk, preserve value during economic downturns, add diversification to retirement savings. A properly handled 457B to Gold IRA rollover can deliver these benefits without extra costs. How to transfer 457B to Gold IRA without fees. 1. Confirm rollover eligibility. Most 457B plans allow rollovers after you leave your job. Some government plans permit in-service rollovers. Always confirm with your plan administrator first. 2. Choose an IRS-approved Gold IRA custodian. Select a custodian with transparent pricing, rollover experience, and no setup or hidden fees. Avoid companies pushing collectible or high-premium coins. 3. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. Account setup is usually fast and often free. You'll provide basic personal details and choose a storage option. 4. Request a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. This is the most important step. A direct transfer moves funds straight from your 457B to the Gold IRA custodian, avoiding taxes, penalties, and withholding. 5. Buy only IRS-approved gold. Approved options include American Gold Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, and gold bars with at least 99.5% purity. 6. Store gold in an approved depository. IRS rules require secure, insured storage. You can choose segregated or non-segregated storage, both fully compliant. 7. Review for fees. Check all statements to confirm the rollover was completed with no unnecessary charges. Learning how to transfer 457B to Gold IRA without fees is a smart step toward protecting your retirement from market volatility. With the right custodian and a direct rollover, you can move into physical gold smoothly, legally, and cost-effectively. A simple decision today can strengthen your financial security for years to come. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.